Hello, everyone, and welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. Hope you all are doing great. This is a short video to tell you about the Jolly Grammar Teachers Training Workshop. Many of you have asked me about this workshop, and you were also interested to learn the things for free. So, dear all, I have already uploaded a 10-day long Jolly Grammar Teachers Training Workshop. You can watch these videos one by one according to your pace, according to your time. In every video, you will learn the grammatical concepts that a teacher should know, and along with this, you will also learn that how to deliver those concepts to kids. So, if you are interested in learning Jolly Grammar and that is for free, this is the perfect thing for you. Please watch these videos in sequence. The only three topics which are not here in these videos are tenses, active passive, and modal verbs. And for that, I have made separate videos that I will share in the description box, and also I'll give it on the and screen card, so you can go for those things as well. And the tenses notes are also free to get. You won't get the PDF notes of this workshop if you're not a paid participant, but yes, for tenses notes they are free to get. So I hope that you will use this resource to its fullest. You'll improve your teaching skill, and you will also write a comment in the comments box to let me know if my work is useful for you all. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.